Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Cryptos rally as US GDP data boosts Kindle smaller rate hike hope. Zipmex files for bankruptcy protection in Singapore. UK National Crime Agency seizes $33 million in cryptocurrency. Solana-based stablecoin NIRV is attacked, rate collapsed 90%. Decentralized data platform Space and Time raises $10 million. GameFi industry to see $2.8 billion valuation in 6 years. Indian sports buff can now use blockchain to vote for their favorite team's jersey. Coca-Cola toasts 1 year in the Metaverse with International Friendship Day NFT drop. Cryptocurrencies rallied but traded off day's high Thursday evening on profit-taking amid mounting economic uncertainty after data showed that the US economy marked a second straight quarterly decline, widely considered an indication of recession. Bitcoin traded near $22,900. US stocks shrugged off the week's economic data, with all the major indices trading higher. The optimism stemmed from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's statement a day before that the future trajectory of rate hikes would eventually slow and would be data-driven. The Fed on Wednesday delivered the anticipated 0.75 percentage point rate hike to tamp down inflation. Powell told reporters that the bank could hike by 0.75 percentage point again in September. Analysts expect Bitcoin to post a relief rally as the next Fed meeting is 2 months away. The US economy shrank at a 0.9% annual rate last quarter, marking a second straight quarterly decline in gross domestic product, the Commerce Department said Thursday. Though some investors considered bad news is good news, fighting inflation still remain the top priority for the Fed, and future data on prices will drive the central bank's policies. Cryptocurrencies exchanges liquidated over $165 million worth of positions in futures in the past 12 hours, with over half of the liquidated positions accounting for bearish bets. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $22,860, up over 6.5% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded near $1,620, up over 8.8% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded higher, with Polkadot trading up by 10%, while Uniswap spurted over 20%. Zipmex, the beleaguered cryptocurrency exchange, has filed applications in Singapore for bankruptcy protection despite the threat of legal actions from creditors. Morgan Lewis Stamford, Zipmex solicitors, filed 5 applications on July 22nd on behalf of the firm's various entities seeking moratoriums on legal proceedings for up to 6 months. This helps protect Zipmex against third-party actions, claims, and proceedings while it is active, and allows the team to focus of all our efforts on resolving the liquidity situation without having to worry about defending potential claims or adverse actions, Zipmex said on Wednesday. Under Singapore law, such a filing automatically grants respite for either 30 days or until the Singapore court makes a decision on the application, whichever is earlier. Zipmex Asia Pte Limited, Zipmex Pte Limited, Zipmex Company Limited, PT Zipmex Exchange Indonesia, and Zipmex Australia Pty Limited are the 5 companies. The British National Crime Agency published its annual report 2021-22 this week. The report details that between April 1, 2021 and March 31, 2022, the NCA seized property worth $72.56 million. The NCA also revealed that $32.75 million in cryptocurrency was among the property seized. In contrast, no cryptocurrency was seized in the year 2020-21. The agency did not specify which cryptocurrencies it seized. The NCA also noted in the report that criminals increasingly exploited financial technology and crypto assets that could harm the UK's economy and institutions. According to crypto analytics company PeckShield, Solana-based Nirvana Finance was attacked, causing its own DeFi protocol token ANA and the NIRV stablecoin to drop in value by 90%. In addition, hackers stole $3.5 million to perpetrate the attack. The attackers used a $10 million USDC fast loan to further issue an ANA for a similar amount of money. The loan itself was secured by another Solana-based protocol, Solend. The hacker then proceeded to inflate the price of ANA in order to later exchange $10 million in ANA for $13.5 million. After repaying the initial $10 million loan, the exploiter distributed the profits to the unknown Ethereum wallet and converted the funds into DAI. Nirvana Finance has not yet commented on the situation, but trading functions have already been disabled. The users of the protocol themselves call on the developers to stop staying in Nirvana and provide clarification. Space and Time, a decentralized data warehouse for blockchain applications, raised $10 million in a seed round led by crypto investment firm Framework Ventures. The funds will primarily go towards hiring engineers and building out the platform. Space and Time is developing a novel cryptographic protocol called Proof of SQL, referring to the structured query language programming used to manage and interact with databases. The protocol would allow blockchain applications to rapidly generate analytical insights in a decentralized, low-cost and secure way. Absolute reports forecast massive growth in the GameFi industry over the next 6 years. According to the research, the play-to-earn non-fungible token game industry is worth $2.8 billion between 2022 and 2028. Furthermore, the industry's compound annual growth rate is 20.4% over the same 6-year period. This forecast comes amid a raging crypto bear market, which leaves little room for speculative projects, and industries Sky Massive, Dapper Labs, Decentralized, Immutable, and the Sandbox are among the leaders in the field of play-to-earn game development highlighted in the report. During market downturns, projects that remain have some apparent utility. Blockchain-based games are an easy, accessible, and engaging way to demonstrate this. As a result, gaming has always served as a gateway for new users to interact with the crypto space. However, as Web3 evolves, experts predict the GameFi will need adapt as well. SportsChain, India's blockchain-based fan engagement platform, has begun testing its decentralized fan tokens platform. Fans now have the ability to have their voices heard, whether it's on deciding on training jerseys or other aspects. Users can vote in binding, non-binding polls for 2 kabaddi teams and 1 cricket team to express their approval or disapproval on team decisions. The platform's native token, SPN, will be minted in August 2022, and its possession will be required to gain access to the SportsChain fan tokens. SportsChain, founded in March, will provide fans with an implementable poll platform that ensures their involvement in a team's growth journey. The Iceland cricket team, the Dabang Delhi and Tamil Thalaiwas kabaddi teams and others are presently included in SportsChain binding voting system. Coca-Cola has completed 1 year in the Metaverse. The brand is celebrating its anniversary with a new release of limited edition digital collectibles, which is scheduled for release on International Friendship Day, that is July 30th. The collectibles will be airdropped by the brand to members of its existing collectible community, who own collectibles from the initial campaign, with 2 digital collectible drops in 2022. One on Hamburger Day, that is May 28th, and another on International Pride Day, that is June 28th. The beverage giant made its Metaverse debut last summer with its Friendship Day loot box, which contained an assortment of digital collectibles, including a virtually wearable NFT puffer jacket. As the community grows, digital collectible owners will gain access to rewards and perks, including Coke Studio-powered experiences, gaming events, and early access to Coca-Cola Creations limited edition product launches. That's all in the bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to Crypto TV. Have a great day.